In this class we will study the command 3D service, which sends a 3D model to the 3D printing service. We will also see about 3Dprint, which sends a 3D model to Print Studio, which is a software provided by Autodesk. That provides tools to prepare models for printers, as well as providing specific materials. Let's understand better by opening the available file, where we have a mug for which we will create a file for a 3D printer. "3D printing, also known as rapid prototyping, is a growing manufacturing technology. For printing to occur, we need a template file to be printed, with the STL extension. AutoCAD provides some ways to create this type of file. In the Application menu, under Export, Other Formats, we open a dialog box. Note: in Files of Type, we select the type lithography, which saves the file with the STL extension required by 3D printers. We cancel and in Output it is possible to click on 3Dprint service to learn about the preparation of a 3D model, or continue. When continuing, we must select the model. We press Enter and the 3D Print Options dialog window opens. We can change the scale of the model, use pan, orbit and zoom. If everything is in agreement, we click OK. In the Create STL File dialog window, we select the directory where the file will be saved and name it. To conclude, we click Save. There, we have a file that can be sent to a 3D printer connected to the computer, or sent to third parties for later printing. Next, we will introduce the command 3Dprint, which sends a 3D model to Autodesk Print Studio. We launch the Print Studio, select the template and press Enter. In 3D Print, we click OK. The Print Studio software opens as long as you have it installed. If you do not have it, you can download it for free from the Autodesk website. For our class, I already have Print Studio properly installed. See that we have a specific environment where we can manipulate the model by applying scaling and moving within the virtual space. You can find out the dimensions, select the material to print, have a cost forecast, and send to third parties. This is a complete solution for printing. We have seen in this class how to create print files for a 3D printer with the tools available in AutoCAD 2017.